Are you also searched this? Which online work makes the most money in the whole world? Or how to make money? Don't ask such questions, because you will get popular business ideas that everyone is doing. When everyone is onto it, it's too late. The better solution is to create a new idea for yourself. This can be done with a simple 2-question exercise. First, how can I solve a problem online? You get paid when you solve a problem. The more painful the problem, the more you get paid. The doctor who treats a headache won't be paid the same as someone who does heart surgery, simply because of one problem is more painful. For me, clients come to me because they can't get sales. I get paid a lot because I help them get sales. Which problem to choose? In the marketplace, there are millions of problems. That's where the next question will help. Second, what are my interests and strengths? You need to find an industry around your likes and skills. Let's say your likes is football and skill is drawing. Well, you can make cartoon strips about famous football matches. Post them on Instagram. Sell your own merch. You have successfully solved the problem of entertainment. If your like is food and skill is cooking, you can start a cooking YouTube channel. Build an audience. Sell your recipes. You have successfully solved the problem of tasty food. You can create countless ideas this way. The key is to find a sweet spot between your likes and market's problems. For me, I was interested in self-help and business. So that's what I write about. And that's what I help my clients with. Stop looking for trendy business ideas. Anything trendy means there are too many people doing it. Think and create a real business.